Welcome to Japanese Cooking 101. Today we are making atsu-age, deep-fried tofu. Freshly made atsu-age is great eaten as is, simply with some soy sauce and grated ginger, but it's also used as an ingredient of many Japanese dishes. We are using a medium firm tofu, and you also need some frying oil. For more information, please visit our website, japanesecooking101.com. First, we prep tofu. It is important to remove excess moisture before frying so that the tofu doesn't splatter oil. Wrap tofu with a paper towel and place onto a plate. Microwave for 3 minutes. Carefully remove wet paper towel and wrap tofu with a new paper towel. And put weight on wrapped tofu to remove water further. And leave it like this for a couple of hours, changing paper towels a few times. Meanwhile, prep the toppings. Chop green onion and peel and grate ginger and set aside. Once the moisture is removed from the tofu, cut it in half. Heat the oil at medium heat to 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 180 degrees Celsius. Drop tofu one by one carefully in the frying oil and deep fry until golden brown, turning once or twice. And now carefully remove from the oil and transfer to a plate with a paper towel. While it's still hot, cut this into bite-sized pieces if you want. The crunchy and nutty outside definitely makes you hungry. Serve immediately on a plate and top with chopped green onion and freshly grated ginger. And drizzle some soy sauce. Most people in Japan buy already made atsu-age at supermarkets, but it's surprisingly easy to make right in your kitchen. 美味しい。
美味しいね。